Hello everyone, welcome to our next lesson. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. Now typically these are paper 2 kinds of questions where you have to use your calculator to find the answer, but there has been cases where it's been on a paper 1 with no calculator. So let's just quickly go over our definitions again. The mean is the average. So if you had 1, 2, 2, 3, those are your numbers. Then the mean would be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 divided by how many numbers you have. So 4. The median is your middle number. So if you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, or let's go 5, your middle number would be 3. So that would be your median. If you have an even number, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4, then there is no middle number. So what you have to do is find the averages of the two middle numbers. So 2 plus 3 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. So the median would be 2.5. And the mode is the number you see the most. So for instance, for this one, which 1, 2, 2, 3, what number do you see the most? It's the 2. So the mode is the number 2. So that's your simple understanding of mean, median, mode. Standard deviation and variance is the spread. So if in the class everybody got 50% on the test exactly, then the variance in the standard deviation would be 0. But if somebody got 30% or 70% or lots of people got zeros or 5% or 100%, then the standard deviation and variance would increase. So it's the spread of your data. A typical question that IB would ask would be something like this. Just watch out for this. When this says number of aces is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the frequency is 4, 11, 18, 13, 7, 2, what this means is the number of aces is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 11 times, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 18 times, etc., etc. Okay? So we're not finding the averages of this. You're finding the averages of these numbers. So we could just do it manually, but let's see how to do it on the T-Inspire. Sorry about this. We're just going to pause for a second while I play some beautiful music. You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. Okay, here we go. So if I wanted to find let's go to we're going to go to here and input the data. Okay, so I'm going to just call this X, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the numbers were 4, 11, 18. 4, 11, 18, 13, 7, 2. 13, 7, 2. And I'm going to call this, let's call this Y. Okay, so I've inputted the data. And now what you do is you go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculation, and it's one variable statistics, not two variables. We're only looking at one number. That's your aces. How many lists? This is where people get it wrong. Sometimes they say 2 lists, but that's wrong. There's only 1 list. Now the 1 list was your X value, and then we've got a frequency. How many of each X value? And that was your Y. Put it in, got OK, and there you go. This is your mean. Your X bar is your mean. Your standard deviation is this one, 1.22427. So this is your standard deviation. Here is your median. It was 3. And the mode is not given. So the mode, you would just have to go back to the question, and you have to look at which one is the most. There was 18 times that they got 3 aces. So that would be your mode. Hope that helps. Oh, one more thing. We gave you the standard deviation. How do you figure out the variance? Well, the variance is just the square of the standard deviation. So once you know what the standard deviation is, the variance, you just square that number. So going back to our calculator, we have the variance is 1.22427. Square that number, and you have your variance. Hope that helps. Have a good day.